Now here at Adams Polishes, we spend a lot of time on wheel cleaning. Our wheel cleaner, we got 50 different wheel cleaning tools it seems like. Well, I'm here today to talk about a new wheel cleaning tool, and it's a tool that's going to replace our wheel woolly. Introducing the new Adams barrel brush. This tool here, a few inches longer with a nice ergonomic grip, is easier to bend, and you can maneuver it as much as you need behind the spokes. It comes in a full size, and it comes in a mini so that you can get behind the brake calipers. Now, again, both of these are easy to bend, easy to maneuver. Here's how you use them. First, start with a clean bucket of water. Next, put your barrel brushes in the water. Since you're also going to clean your tires, use your tire brush, put it in the water, and you're going to use the face brush to clean the face of the wheels. Go ahead and put that brush in the water, and then, of course, using the lug brush, which we use for the brake calipers and the lugs and all the little hard to reach places, drop that guy in the water. This is typically the same time that we're going to use the fender brush or the wheel well brush. This goes all the way to the back of the wheel well. So while I'm at it, let's go ahead and drop that guy in there and get it ready to use. So now, depending on your wheels, you're going to use either our wheel cleaner or our eco wheel cleaner. And basically, the full strength wheel cleaner is for wheels like these, factory powder coated, super durable. If you have delicate wheels, if you have wheels that you think could be damaged by a full strength wheel cleaner, use the eco wheel cleaner. It's safer. Okay, using our wheel cleaner, I'm going to go ahead and blast these off because I know they're filthy. You can see that I've got lots and lots of brake dust on these. So I'm going to go ahead and blast these suckers off real good, and especially getting the barrel of the wheels, especially on these brakes, which are super high performance brakes. These get really nasty. Then I'm going to go ahead and quickly hit the tires at the same time with the tire and rubber cleaner, okay? Let that settle into that tire a little bit. First, I want to use the full-size barrel brush. I've already got it bent at about a 60-degree angle because that's why I can get really easily up and around these spokes. All the way to the back, up and behind the spokes. All the way to the back, up and around the spokes. And I'm really able to get all the way to the back. Since our barrel brush is a few inches longer than the wheel woolly, this guy gets a little bit further back on the really wide wheels like these. Okay, now I've got the big and the main parts of the wheel done. I'm going to go back into the bucket with the full size, and now it's time to get out the mini. Since I've got the great big calipers on this, I need a little tool to get around those. This brush will get the areas that are tighter and harder to reach. Once you're done doing the barrels, then go ahead and hit the face with the face brush. So this program now, having a small wheel woolly and the ability to bend it to get all the way behind the brake calipers, that'll help you not have to move the car back and forward when you're cleaning your wheels. Now, we're all cleaned up and ready to rinse. I just know you're going to love the new barrel brushes. The fact that you can bend them to go exactly where you want them. The polypropylene fibers, they clean really well. You can use it with our wheel cleaner or our eco wheel cleaner. And having the small one, having the mini, that's so pliable and easy to get over and around your brake calipers, that makes that job a heck of a lot easier. Remember, just like everything else in our line, these are 110% guaranteed to knock your socks off.